Hello everyone, this is Diego bringing you a video to show you how to connect your Google Drive into Canvas so that you have access with all of your assignments that we do here in the Life Fitness program. Just a friendly reminder that this will not work with a mobile device such as a phone because of the way the systems are set up, and that's the best way I can explain it. And also, Google Chrome is the preferred browser for Canvas. The reason being is because Canvas is backed by Google, so therefore it talks very freely, and it can communicate within both platforms. If you're utilizing Safari and or Internet Explorer, the systems will be a little shaky. They will not communicate as freely, and you might have lots of headaches. So I would strongly recommend that you download the Google Chrome application for any of your devices. Again, if you're using Safari or Internet Explorer, the systems will not work as well. So Google Chrome is the preferred browser. With that said, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive into your Canvas course shell so that you don't have that authorize button that just spins and pins and doesn't let you proceed with filling out your assignments. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do here, you're going to go to your profile, the little picture, or it might have like your initials. That is your account. So you click on that, and it should open up to this navigation menu. You go down to settings. Under settings, you will see that web services. And again, this is where Canvas can make your life easier by connecting any of these other services to your Canvas course shell so that you don't have to authorize it every time. Under register services, if you don't have it, you might not have anything already. So we're going to click on Google Drive. And once you authorize us to see your Google, you'll be able to submit your assignments directly from Google Drive and create and share documents with members of your classes. So you authorize Google, select your school designated email account. This is something that a lot of people don't do, and they select their personal email account, so it will not work. So please make sure that you select your Pipeline email account. Select that. Yes, I want to give access to Canvas into my Google account so that I can share my files, and makes your life easier, makes our life easier when we are conducting our educational, fulfilling our educational needs. Once I do that, Google Drive was successfully added, and that's it. Now it's on the register services, and it will not ask you, or should not ask you, to link or authorize the platforms to talk to each other. Hope that helps. I will put a link also on this. Check it out. It's right underneath this video. And that link will also be added to your modules so that you can refer back to it. If you have any questions, any other issues, please feel free to reach out. Do message me through the inbox. It is much easier, much quicker for me to be able to reply to you. All right. Hope everybody's doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay strong. Everyone, take care.